This is BirdNote. Artist David Shepard designs aloha shirts with illustrations of Hawaii's native flora and fauna. David actually trained as a botanist, and one of his shirt designs was inspired by his experience working on the Kalaupapa peninsula with the ho'ava plant.
It's very rare. So rare that we only had two populations of it on the peninsula. And unfortunately, the flowers tend to be either male or female, not both on the same branch.
And in a stroke of bad luck, the populations were on opposite ends of the peninsula.
So here I was hand-pollinating it with a brush, and then going over to the other side and hand-pollinating them too. And then when the fruit would ultimately appear, we had to wrap it in aluminum foil to prevent the rats from eating it. It was this whole drawn-out process. And then it takes 8 months for these seeds to germinate. And you also have to have some mesh on it so that the rats don't pull those things up. So as you can see, the plant has a lot of things stacked against it.
David learned that one of the reasons the plants need such involved help from conservationists is because it was a favorite food of the Alala, or Hawaiian Crow, which is now extinct in the wild.
And when they would eat the seeds, they just pass right through their digestive tract and they germinate great.
There are continuing efforts to keep the species alive in captivity, and maybe one day return them to the wild. But at least in David's artwork, the alala flock among the ho'ava fruits once again. You can see pictures of David's work on our website, birdnote.org. I'm Mark Bramhill.